Hi again. I'm just going to do an update on a previous video I did. If you're running the summed input into your Paris board, you can't directly connect to the receiver to do a pitch override on your brushless gimbal. So I came up with a hack under version 2.2, but it's a bit different how to enable it under version 2.3. Anyway, if you've loaded one of the standard Multiwii copter versions of the sketch file onto your Paris V5 Mega board, it includes in that the CamStab code. Okay, so I'm going to simply allow for CamStab here by clicking in all three boxes to be always active. Now previously we had to do some stuff in the sketch. We don't do it in the sketch anymore. We actually do it in the GUI. The first thing I have to do is go to this settings page and click on read, and that allows me to get access to this servo tab where I click on gimbal, and here we have the settings I need to do to activate my override from aux3 to actually do the pitch of the gimbal, or to override the gimbal pitch. Now the first thing you have to do, we've got a slider here that at the moment will say midpoint, but if you slide it along a bit and mess with it, it'll suddenly start saying channel names, and the first thing you need to do is get that, slide it along so it says aux3 and click on save. Okay, I'm going to set the minimum tilt all the way, I'm going to set the maximum tilt all the way, and set the tilt proportion to 0. Okay, so these are basically the things we used to do in the code, but we don't need to do them anymore. In the code, we have to do them here. Click save. I'm going to go back, so I've got tilt proportion at 0, I've got maximum tilt, the minimum tilt set to the minimum, the max tilt set to the max. I've done this center slider until it reads aux3. I've clicked save. I'm now going to go back to the main tab and click on write, and that's it. I've now set up my override for the gimbal. So now I plug the pitch override from my gimbal controller into channel 44 on the Paris board, the Paris V5 Mega board, and I've set up aux3 in my radio on a slider, and that will then give me, because I've just done those few simple steps, manual override of the pitch. I'll see you guys online.